All right, we're at Monster Bash. We just had the toy toss. I got these DVD and a skull.
No, I bought it. I still love
Thank you. How you doing?
Hi.
Thank you. So, my daughter got up at the show and she stumped the panel.
All your stuff.
How you doing, Michael? Oh, who are you, Charlie Brown? I'll give it to him. I'll hand it to him. Thank you. He doesn't understand. Thank you. Mola, here. You want this dinosaur? You want this dinosaur? There you go.
Okay.
So you can't talk.
Only two of us.
I actually never
I
did.
remember she played one time. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Eventually, we're gonna get all of you on stage.
I was on stage.
I
once,
was
but-
looking at
Well, some of you played Monster Match Game. You played Monster Match
the
Game.
Blu-ray, like today, I think. I was like just looking at it, and I'm like, oh yeah, the 40 man.
Yes.
I wasn't.
I thought it was good. I thought it was so easy.
I thought
was
if I read the back today, I would have gotten it in a heartbeat. But I glanced at it and I went, oh yeah, this one.
I wasn't sure if that counted as like a human monster. That didn't.
Well, that's when something said, but I mean, he was transformed. I think
Okay.
that's good enough.
Yeah.
But we were also saying that from now on, the first one should be one and done. Should be a Kowalski, because you guys know how to play the game very efficiently, and you can teach everyone else how to play the game very efficiently. And I did mean when I said, here's the next generation. You're all going to have kids, and we're going to teach your kids about this stuff. And I'm excited. I hope I'm here long enough to meet your children. How about that? I hope I'm here long enough. Well,
because the little
we've had some conversations, but I'm not as
because they were like, no, there's no shoe. Yeah, that's you guys.
And I see you've got prizes.
And I went, yeah, the one died, and the one broke free of the ship. And so,
Well, yeah.
it breaks free. And so,
Oh, yeah.
and so I'm going, oh.
But hey, congrats. There's somebody signing out.
Got it. I was like, oh,
Be right there.
Oh, I got
Said she's showing it now. Come on. What? Don't make it yellow. You show preview.
Are you gonna watch?
Did you get bell rock?
Yeah, we got Java in here.
You are okay.
Jimmy, my wife likes it because she's like she doesn't count.
Have a good night, Michael.
No.